with regards to Rajasthan and the trouble brewing there after Surjewala demands FIR by Rajasthan Special Operations Group against Central Minister Gajendra Shekhawat. The Chief Whip has now confirmed that an FIR has now been filed against Shekhawat. Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi has told India Today that the FIR has been filed against Union Minister Shekhawat and also rebel Bhavar Lal, accusing them of bringing and in fact luring, bribing those MLAs to switch camps and topple the Gehlot government. Let's take a listen at those reactions coming in.
ये ऑडियो जो चल रहे हैं, इसके बाद ये आरोप लगाते हैं सच्चाई इनकी सिद्ध हो रही है। फिर भी हमने एसओजी में मुकदमा दर्ज ये कराया है, नियमानुसार कार्रवाई, और नियमानुसार कार्रवाई में इसकी जांच भी होती है, लोगों के आवाज के सैंपल भी लिए जाते हैं, सैंपल का मिलान भी किया जाता है, और ये सब करने के बाद में जो भी निष्कर्ष सामने आते हैं उसके हिसाब से आगे की कार्रवाई है।
सर, आपने कितने मुकदमे दर्ज कराए हैं?
2 मुकदमे दर्ज।
अच्छा, आखिरी सवाल, होटल में कहा जा रहा है कितने विधायक हैं सर अभी?
हम आपको पहले दिन से कह रहे हैं, हमारे पास 109 का संख्या बल है, और जब कभी भी अगर फ्लोर टेस्ट कहीं हुआ, संख्या बल दिखाने की जरूरत पड़ी तो इससे ज्यादा ही दिखाएंगे।
Well, here is a big piece of information coming in, looking at an FIR that is being mulled over after Surjewala demands for the FIR by Rajasthan Special Operations Group against the Central Minister Gajendra Shekhawat. The Chief Whip has now confirmed that an FIR has now been filed against Shekhawat. Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi, you heard him say that the FIR has been filed against the Union Minister as well as rebel Bhavar Lal, accusing them of bribing MLAs. Going back to Dev Ankur joining us. Dev, here is an FIR now, things getting ugly, things taking a political turn. In fact, here we are looking at an FIR that is being filed against Gajendra Shekhawat, who is the Union Minister, for allegedly bribing those MLAs within the Gehlot camp. Also, we're looking at a complaint being raised against Bhavar Lal, also joining hands with the Central Minister here.
Well, so the Special Operations Group of Rajasthan, which is already investigating this entire alleged case of horse trading or conspiracy to topple the Rajasthan government, has registered cases against Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Sanjay Jain, both of whom are BJP leaders, and apart from that also Vishwendra Singh and the other BJP leader Bhavar Lal Sharma have been named in the case. So the clearly SOG is trying to tighten the noose and ensure that the open ends in the entire investigation are, there is a tight-knit case against these people. And what we are given to understand is also that Sanjay Jain can also be made an approver in the case, and his statements are being currently recorded by the SOG. Surjewala has clearly mentioned that this entire conspiracy was hatched by the BJP, and the links just do not stop at Gajendra Singh Shekhawat itself. The links go right till the top, and also he mentioned that Vishwendra Singh and the other Congress leader Bhavar Lal Sharma, both of them have been suspended from the primary membership of the party, and their arrest is something which can also happen by the Special Operations Group. So far, Sachin Pilot has not been suspended by the party, and the Congress claims that is because it does not have any concrete evidence per se against Pilot in this entire matter.
Well, Dev, here a serious turn that this issue is now taking, complaints being raised, a legal process that the Gehlot camp is trying to resort to. They're trying to take this up with the law and order to try and put the Sachin Pilot camp in place, along with accusing the BJP of trying to topple the government. Straight allegations at the centre now. Do stay with us. We have more information coming in with this regard here.